Hello everybody, welcome to Engineering Space, where engineers break the border of engineering. This time around, we're gonna learn about Civil 3D, especially the use of Dynamo as one of the built-in apps from the Autodesk for Civil 3D. For the next couple times, we're gonna learn three main topics. The first is what is Dynamo, and the second lesson is creating point, and last, the use of range. Here we go. To accessing the Dynamo, you may visiting the or open the Civil 3D application and go to manage tab from here and go to Dynamo, and then new window will appear. Here you can access several buttons. First is new project, when you want to open the new project, and then you may access the custom node to accessing or modify the node, and then here you also can open the previous project if you have previously Dynamo projects. In the right side you can see the discussion forum. If you click on this button, you're gonna be accessing to the main website of the Dynamo and discuss with any user from you, anything to discuss here. And then if you want to visiting the Dynamo official website, you can access it through this button or this tab. And as reference, you also can use the built-in Dynamo assist, but in this time around we just want to start a new and simple project. Here are the windows of Dynamo. In the left side you can see the library, which contain any node. Call node as one of the program language we use in Dynamo. Here you can saw the AutoCAD, and then you may access the document and also the object like block reference, face, layer, line, mesh, and so on. And here also you of course we have the special library regarding the Civil 3D. It contains two objects. The first is civil objects like alignment, civil object, cargo points, corridor, surface, and then selection, face by name, surfaces, and so on. So maybe you not understand what kind of Dynamo. Dynamo is one of the powerful programming language with output in visual, and we can use it to simplify the way we creating an object and planning something that need 2 couples time, 3 couples time, and further. So just by one click, and you can repeat the multiple times using application. So simple definition of Dynamo. So now we're gonna continue to the next topic, creating point. To creating point, we start by typing in the library as, just wait a moment, by typing point. Here you can see there are several types of points, but right now we want to learn about how to create point by coordinates. So you might click here, and the new window will appear in the right side of our current window. Here it is contain XYZ as usual of the coordinates, and then if you want to entering the coordinates, basically you need number. So after clicking the point, you need to contain in the XYZ as number, So we start typing here as number, click again, and then put here. Here you go. And you may entering several number. For this example, we put 1, and then we just need to connecting it again. This I think one of the differences between the Visual Studio with Dynamo. In Dynamo, we just use the program language with Visual, not in Visual Studio. We are creating programming by typing them one by one, but here you just need to type some library and put it on the object and connecting it with each other. So yeah, to accessing the view of the point, we can use the watch. You may use here the library again to write watch, or the second option, you may use the right click on your mouse, for example like this. You see? Okay, right click and then type watch, enter, and then connecting it here. Here you go. In this window, we can see that our number in x axis was appear x equal to 1 and y equal to 0 and z equal to 0 because of the y and z coordinates not contain any number. So how if we want to including it with number, we just need to adding it with number again, right? So we type here again number and then enter, and then put it here because we need one block again to fill in the z coordinates. So we just need to copy it, Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V, and here we go. Just entering 2 and then let's connecting it, and automatically in the watch window you can see the point in the x, y, and z was equal to what the input has been given to them. So after we conduct, or after we collecting the node, this is what we call node, we can see the object here where the position of 1, 2, and 3 of the point by clicking here. Okay, you can zoom in and zoom out here, and yes, you can see it, and just play it around, and this is the position of our coordinate, the latest coordinate, the latest point based on the coordinates. And yeah, I think that's the first introduction about the use or the way we creating points. Okay, maybe that's all for this time, and thank you for your attention. And the last, say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.